Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Kickstarting Your Drone Photography Business from anywhere around the globe, okay? So, if you haven't got a website up and running, I suggest you get that happening first. If you haven't and you need a really affordable solution, please visit neptunedesign.com.au and subscribe to their 1-page or 5-page monthly subscription where we will build you a website to get you going. So once you have that ready, we're going to be looking into Google AdWords. So your landing page has everything that you needed, your work portfolio showcasing what you can do and to win the clients over. Next is we're going to get some traction using Google AdWords to get that happening. No matter where you are in the world, it's the quickest way to start getting work coming to you, okay? So we're going to be looking into using the AdWords. So go ahead and create an account. Okay, go ahead and create an account. We're going to go to Google AdWords Keyword Planner to get some keywords research happening, giving you an extractory how much it's going to cost you, okay? So we're going to be starting out, just search for drone photography, okay? So that's the phrase that people are looking for. And when you're starting out, just focusing on photography and video is the best option for you to get some real portfolio working happening, right? So I'm going to change the location. Let's just, for example, I am based in the Melbourne city of Victoria. I search Melbourne. I'm going to change it to Victoria as well. I'm happy to travel through all my states. I'm going to remove Wellington here, it shouldn't be there. And Google's going to reset it for me. So you're looking at drone photography, you're looking at about 100 searches to a K per month, okay? And based on average, yeah. So you're looking at spending at 7 top range, low range. You're looking at $3 to $7 depending where you are. Okay, so that's pretty high. So just that is just the basic of how getting you ready. It used to be only about $3-4. Now it's gone up. So every services out there, as more and more pilots coming on board for new guys starting out, it's going to be very expensive. Going to be really upfront cost for you to spend a lot of money when it comes to generating leads using AdWords. So it's better now than never. If you wait for another few years, instead of costing you $7, it's going to cost you $10 to $15. So everything you do, you have to get in early. So that is one. Okay, well, let's get that happening, and good luck out there to generate leads, guys. So if you haven't have a website, you need some help, please let me know. The next best thing is solution is spending your own time working on SEO. Okay, that's the next subject I'm looking at talking to you. So have a good one, guys. Safe flying. Take care. Bye bye.